Hello students, welcome to my class, and today is our science class. So today we're going to discuss chapter 11 solar system, page number 101, 102, 103 and 104. Okay, so let's start students. So solar system. So what is a solar system? A solar system includes the sun at the center with the 8 planets revolving around it. A galaxy is a system of millions or billions of stars, along with gas and dust, held together by gravitational attraction. Our solar system is located in the outward spiral of the Milky Way galaxy. It consists of the Sun, 8 planets, and their natural satellites like Moon, dwarf planets, एस्टेरॉयड्स, कॉमेट्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो ये सारी चीज़ें लेकर तैयार होती है मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. गैलेक्सी तैयार होती है. सो गैलेक्सी में बहुत सारे सोलर सिस्टम होते हैं. स्टार्स. सो स्टार्स किसे बोला जाता है? Water stars. So a star is a big ball of gas which gives both heat and light. A galaxy contains clouds of dust and gas and stars. The stars originate in the clouds and dust. We can observe innumerable stars in the night sky. They are millions of miles away from us and thus appear to be small. सो यहाँ पे गैलेक्सी में बहुत सारे स्टार्स होते हैं और बहुत दूर रहते हैं, बहुत ही बड़ा भी होता है, पर हम उनसे बहुत दूर है इसीलिए हम लोगों को छोटा दिखाई देता है. अ constellation is a group of stars that seems to form a pattern in the sky. For example, the constellation Ursa Major contains a group of stars commonly called the Big Dipper. Polaris, or the North Star, sits almost directly above the North Pole. It is believed to be a reliable estimate the north direction. North direction में एक स्टार है जिसको देख के लोग पहले डिटेक्ट करते थे कि डायरेक्शन मतलब करते थे कि हाँ इस तरफ अगर नॉर्थ है तो इस तरफ साउथ है, उस तरफ ईस्ट है, इस तरफ वेस्ट है, तो ऐसे वो लोग डायरेक्शन करते थे. Our sun and its family. The sun is a star, a hot ball of gases present at the center of our solar system. It is a star nearest to us and so looks that big. Without the sun's intense energy and heat, there would be no life on earth. तो सन क्या है? सन एक गैसेस का एक हॉट बॉल है और ये हमारे सोलर सिस्टम का सेंटर है और ये हमारे बहुत ही पास रहता है, इसीलिए हम उसको बहुत ही बड़ा देखते हैं. और सन से हीट एंड एनर्जी मिलती है और यही अर्थ में लाइफ क्रिएट किया है. अगर ये नहीं होता तो अर्थ में लाइफ नहीं होता. The 8 planets of our solar system. A planet reflects the light of the sun. It is a heavenly body that must orbit around the sun, be large enough so that its own gravity gives it a spherical shape, have an orbit free of other small objects. Outward from the sun, The order of the planets of our solar system is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus और नेपच्यून। तो ये सारे 8 planets के नाम, तो ये आपको याद रखने हैं। Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the planets closest to the Sun. They are referred as the inner planets. These are made up mostly of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the other outer planets. These are large balls of gases, often referred as the gas giants. The outer planets are enriched by rings. Each of the 8 planets travels around the Sun in its own orbit. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and is closest to the Sun. Venus and Earth are almost the small size. Venus is planet closest to the Earth. It is the hottest planet in our solar system and brightest object in the night sky after moon. Earth is our home planet. So Earth में ही हम रहते, तो Earth is our home planet. It is the only planet that is known to support life. Its atmosphere gives air to all living things. The atmosphere also protects Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. The Earth has water and the correct temperature for the survival of living things. Many spacecrafts have landed on Mars and have collected facts about the planet. The Martian dust was found to contain clay rich in iron. The iron gives Mars its red color. So Mars में बहुत आयरन से, इसीलिए मार्स रेड कलर का दिखता है. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is so large that all of other planets could fit inside it. Three thin rings of dust particles surround the planet. Its great red spot is a gigantic storm bigger than Earth, which has been raging for hundreds of years. Saturn looks like a big ball inside rings. About 1,000 rings that surround Saturn are made of ice and dust. Uranus rotates on its sides. Its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives the planet its blue-green color. Neptune is the last of the hydrogen and helium gas giants in our solar system. It is much alike to Uranus. Dwarf planets. These are heavenly bodies similar to planets, except that they orbit the sun in areas where there are many similar objects. Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Hema, and Makemake are some dwarf planets that have been identified. तो ये सारे dwarf planets हैं. Earth's movements. The two motions of the Earth, namely revolution and rotation, have a significant role. Earth's movement. The two motions of the Earth, namely revolution and rotation, have a significant role. Rotation. So what is rotation? The Earth orbits around the Sun. It takes 1 year to go around the Sun. The earth also rotates or spins on its axis. The earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs from the north pole to the south pole. It is not straight up and down, but tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. The earth takes 1 day or 24 hours to spin around itself one complete time. This motion of earth is known as rotation and it causes day and night. सो रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने में उन अर्थ को लगता है 24 आवर्स और रोटेशन के वजह से ही होता है डे एंड नाइट. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आप लोग इतने तक आप लोग पढ़ो और नेक्स्ट डे हम इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. सो टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड कीप लर्निंग.